tutorial will guide you through the process of using ChatGPT to draft a cover letter for a job application. We'll use a hypothetical job and applicant to illustrate the steps. First, create a document in Google Docs or Microsoft Word. Collect all the necessary information about the job you're applying for and put it in this document. Next, write out a section on your relevant skills, experiences, and accomplishments that match the job requirements. Then, type out your contact details. Now you have all the information in one place, you're ready to prompt ChatGPT to generate a cover letter. Now enter the prompt. I need help writing a cover letter for, and then enter your position, at, and now enter the company name. Please generate a cover letter using this information. Here are the details. Now copy all the information from your document and paste it into ChatGPT. Then click on the arrow to the right. Now you'll see ChatGPT is generating the letter for you. Carefully review the cover letter that it's generated. Make any necessary edits to ensure it does accurately reflect your skills and experiences. Using ChatGPT can significantly simplify the process of writing a cover letter for any job application, but always remember to review and personalise the generated content to ensure it accurately represents you. I really hope this has helped you. If it has, please click the like button and good luck with your job application.